Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have to tell you something interesting, and this is that I just purchased my new microphone, and this is Saramonic Lavalier microphone. As you see, I plan to use it for motovlogging in my helmet. If you are interested and you want to see how it works, please stay tuned. Let me welcome you to today's episode. $650cc bike, 6 positions. So in the box you get, let me show you, a bag, the microphone itself, two stickers, the international warranty card, microphone muff, and this is all. The first feel of the microphone, it's like it is quality made. Here it's the mount for your tie or shirt, and this microphone is for the direct use with the Osmo Action cam, so you do not need any adapter. You just plug in this connector and it should work automatically. So we will do also a sound test, and I will try the mic of the camera and then the mic that I just purchased. I have to say that I purchased this mic on the AliExpress, and I cannot say anything bad about it. I got it really quickly. It was something like 10 days from China, and the price was 32 euros, so a fair price for such a mic, and I hope that it will work well for me. Let's go and see how it works. Just before we do a sound test, I have to tell you, you need to remove that little door, plastic door on the camera, where it's the SD card and where you plug in the mic. I hope that you will notice the difference. I'm speaking right now with the inbuilt microphone, so stock microphone. How do you hear me? This is a sound test. How do you hear me? Okay, and now let's try it with the Saramonic Lavalier microphone. Okay guys, this is a sound check of the microphone. So the Saramonic Lavalier microphone for the Osmo Action cam. How is the sound? Can you notice any difference? Okay, let's go and check it also outside. This is the sound check of this Saramonic Lavalier microphone for the Osmo Action cam. Do you notice any difference? And okay, let's do it also without the mic right now. Okay guys, the microphone, as you see, it's disconnected, and right now I'm using just the built-in microphone. What is the sound? Okay, do you notice any difference? It's time for the final thoughts. So I just did a sound test, and I have to say that I'm very satisfied with this microphone. The sound with this mic, it's deeper, and it is more velvet-like, and I have to say that also it reduces some noise from outside and from around. So overall I have to say that I'm satisfied. For those of you who are about to buy a mic for the Osmo Action Cam, I think that this is a good solution, but I have also to try it in my helmet, doing motovlogs and so on. So stay tuned for another review. Okay guys, it's time to conclude, and like always, thanks for watching, and like, share and subscribe. Till the next one.